Okay, in this lesson I'll show you how the actual template plugin works. So we already done this. We had the page start from the last tutorial in the page variable, and this is how you would load the plugins. You just have the plugin name. This plugin is already loaded at runtime, so it wouldn't even matter if I do it now again, because in my plugins and helpers I always check if the function or classes exist before I actually declare them, so this way we don't get a redeclare error. So you would just echo the template method. This is the one that does the processing for the template. The first parameter will be the template the actual page content. The second one will be info, which we will declare here. Info will just be a list of the template we have, header, footer. So basically if you go to the folder, the default, we actually have three, but we're not going to use links now. We'll use the header and the footer. So we just pass it here. We pass it the name, which is the folder basically of the template, and we could also pass it the data. So this way the templates can actually have this data information they could use. Let's go to the template. Let's go to the header. We'll just change it. We had the actually we don't need to change anything. It's the page title. This is basically the header, and the footer is just empty, just the closing HTML tags. So I could also have this here. I could access all the data that I'm sending here. I could access it in the template. Now we have to go to this original viewer that we had, and since we're using template, we wouldn't need this whole thing. We just replace it with the actual template. This is the viewer, the one in the view section. So we have the header, the footer, and we also specify the header footer here, so we could know which files we use, and we pass it the data. This is basically it. We have here, let's do view source. This is the header template. This is the footer, and this was our main viewer section. You could add as many templates as you want, and you could actually create as many templates in each folder. And again, the file names, they're .php if you want to pass data, but you don't even need to pass the data to it. It's up to you. And finally, for our last tutorial, we'll go over the database plugin, and now we're basically done with the MVC application. Thank you for listening.